In this video, I will show you how to check the reputation of an IP address when using FlashProxy and why IP quality really matters. To do this, we will use an online IP reputation tool called Scamalytics. It is one of the most trusted platforms for checking IP risk and reputation scores. First, generate a proxy inside your FlashProxy dashboard. Once the proxy is active, check the IP address that has been assigned to your connection. This shows you exactly which IP your traffic is using. Next, copy the IP address and paste it into Scamalytics. Scamalytics analyzes public data to see whether an IP has been linked to spam, abuse, or suspicious activity. Based on this data, it gives the IP a risk score. Here, you can see that our FlashProxy IP has a good reputation score. This means you are using a clean IP with low risk, fewer security flags, and a much lower chance of running into captchas or blocks. A good IP reputation helps your connection look natural and trustworthy. This is important for smooth browsing, research, and account management. This is where FlashProxy stands out. FlashProxy focuses on providing high-quality residential IPs that consistently maintain strong reputation scores across reputation checking tools like Scamalytics. Using FlashProxy residential proxies gives you more stable connections, fewer security challenges, and better overall performance. Checking your proxy IP reputation only takes a moment, but with FlashProxy, you can see that the IPs are clean, trusted, and ready to use.